In this video, I'll show you how to use Stripe to create subscription trials step by step. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. After logging in, go to the main dashboard. Now find the Products option. Click Create Product. Enter the name of your subscription product or service. Now add a recurring price. Choose whether billing will be monthly or yearly. Now find the free trial option. Set how many days the customer can use the service for free. For example, 7-day or 1-4-day trial. After that, save the product. Now use this product in a payment link or checkout. When the customer subscribes, they will receive access during the trial period. After the trial ends, Stripe will automatically charge the customer. You can track subscriptions in the Stripe dashboard. Done.